You searched how to buy shares of Lattice Semiconductor Corp. Lattice makes low-power programmable logic devices for communications and industrial systems, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LSCC. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and then add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LSCC to find the company listing. Select the NASDAQ result that matches Lattice Semiconductor Corp. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you can read a brief company summary and view a price chart. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the Lattice Semiconductor Corp listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform shown.